Hello, time to take a look at the forecast across Europe, where for the western side of the continent, high pressure for many is keeping things dry, settled and on the mild side. However, we do have some fairly weak fronts just grazing the far north of the British Isles, extending across into the western side of Scandinavia, bringing some outbreaks of rain at lower levels to western Norway, but some snow for the mountains. But further east, we're in some cold air, and that's going to bring further snow over the next few days. Not on Saturday, though. Our area of snow sliding away eastwards out of Turkey. Quieter here for a time. Should be mainly dry across Greece, the Greek islands, Italy. Some sunshine across France and Spain. A few showers perhaps for the Balearics and southwestern parts of Spain. Much more cloud across northern France into Germany, the Low Countries. Some outbreaks of rain just working their way through across parts of Scandinavia and towards our Baltic countries. And that theme continues as we go into Sunday. Meanwhile, areas of snow just starting to slide their way southeastwards across central and eastern parts of Europe. And eventually that's going to bring some unsettled weather, some rain, some snow to parts of Greece and once again into Turkey. But things stay fairly quiet in London and Paris. Often cloudy on the mild side, although temperatures just starting to slide away. And it turns very cold in Berlin by the end of the week. Snow never too far away in Moscow and Kiev, and some very unsettled weather in Athens. Hello, we've got a few winter storms to talk about across North America. The first has been heading steadily eastwards over the next few days. Here it is on the earlier satellite picture, this large swathe of cloud which stretches from the eastern side of Canada down the eastern seaboard and towards our Gulf states. Now, on its southern flank, it will continue to bring torrential rain, thunderstorms, a small chance of tornadoes as well. It's going to bring some severe flooding across the Appalachians and our mid-Atlantic states. But further north, well, it's freezing rain, snow and with strong winds, blizzards, really anywhere from the Great Lakes across parts of the plains and down into New England and across into the Canadian Maritimes. Now, also keeping an eye on the Pacific Northwest. As you can see, some wet weather for the coasts, but head inland, and that's going to bring further snow pushing its way eastwards. Also, the potential for some significant snowfall across parts of New Mexico, Colorado, Arizona and Texas over the next few days. Now, the temperatures will be sliding away in Vancouver and Seattle, but at least with it, we'll see some sunshine returning. Temperatures actually starting to perk up in Denver over the next few days. But you can see some very unsettled weather across the eastern side of Canada, across the Great Lakes, snow and blizzards here, but torrential rain, strong winds and thunderstorms stretching down the eastern seaboard in towards our Gulf states. Florida may well escape for a time. Certainly in Miami, it's looking dry with some sunshine over the next few days, but those temperatures will be dipping in New York. Hello, we'll get the forecast for Mexico, Central America and the Caribbean in just a moment's time. First to South America, and let's start with the earlier satellite picture. And where this cloud is whitest and brightest is where we've been seeing some of the heaviest rain in the last 24 hours. And the lion's share of those heavy, thundery showers continues to be through the Amazon basin, down into southeastern parts of Brazil. Frequent showers. We like to see some torrential rain in places. And some of those showers just fringing parts of Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, Venezuela, Colombia. As you head further north, here's where we'll see the fewest of the showers and more in the way of sunshine. And a good deal of sunshine for the far northeast of Brazil, but head further south down towards Rio de Janeiro, those showers will be plentiful. Keeping an eye on a cluster of showers across northern parts of Argentina, working their way northwards over the next few days. We'll see another frontal system arriving into the western side of Chile. So it's looking fairly unsettled in Buenos Aires over the next few days. Some sunshine to start the week, but those showers never too far away. But the showers few and far between across Mexico and Central America. Just the chance of the odd one for the likes of Nicaragua and Honduras. Could just catch a shower across parts of Hispaniola, but for most it will continue dry on Friday and there'll be a good deal of sunshine. Temperatures hovering around 30 Celsius. And it's a fairly straightforward forecast for Havana, Kingston, San Salvador and San Jose. Plenty of sunshine and very warm. Hello, many parts of Australia have been sweltering in the heat over the last few days. We'll take a look at the forecast there in just a moment. First to the Asia-Pacific region. This area of cloud is a tropical depression. It could develop into a tropical storm. It's been bringing some torrential rain to parts of the Philippines, around 90 millimetres in just 24 hours. more to come. Meanwhile, in this cold air across China, Korea, Japan, frequent snow showers for Hokkaido and Honshu over the next few days. Some strong winds as well, could see some blizzards. That's also going to bring some big waves too. Now, temperatures in Beijing are going to struggle to get above freezing over the next few days. That cold air also filtering down into Vietnam. Hanoi, for example, not getting much above 11 or 12 Celsius. Frequent showers here and further heavy showers for northern Thailand and into Myanmar. But there'll be some winteriness in those showers in Osaka over the next few days. Temperatures not getting above freezing despite some sunshine in Beijing. Across to Australia, plenty of showers for the far north. Now, some of those could intensify, so again, we're going to keep an eye on those. A weak cold front just sliding its way eastwards across Victoria, New South Wales, just bringing a few showers and lowering the temperatures ever so slightly. This is a cold front approaching the South Island of New Zealand over the next few days, but further north, high pressure will tend to keep things mainly dry with some spells of sunshine. There'll be further sunshine in Sydney, those temperatures starting to climb into the mid-30s again in Adelaide. Bye-bye. Hello, time to take a look at the forecast across South and Central Asia, where the main thing to talk about are the cold conditions, particularly across northern states of India. Fog is also an issue here, and we've got warnings in place, red warnings on Saturday for Rajasthan and Punjab for the overnight low temperatures and the subsequent frost. Now, by day, temperatures may well get up to around 20 Celsius, maybe even a few degrees higher, but overnight, they're going to be close to freezing. For most, it will be dry, but I'm sure you've noticed a scattering of showers across some southern states, but they will come and go, and in between, there'll be some spells of sunshine. Let's head further north now. We're in some very cold conditions to the north of Kazakhstan. Also, this front will be sliding its way eastwards, and that's going to bring some snow, some rain perhaps just at lower levels. Plenty of sunshine in Karachi on Saturday, but the mist and the overnight fog will be slow to clear from many northern states. A scattering of showers further south you are across India. Sri Lanka should be mainly dry, but a few of those showers may just clip the Maldives on Saturday. Through Andhra Pradesh into Orissa should be dry with a good deal of sunshine, and that sunshine then extends into Bangladesh as well. Plenty of sunshine continuing in Mumbai, Dhaka, Islamabad, although certainly on the cool side by day in Islamabad, and fairly chilly overnight as well. Further north in Tashkent, those temperatures fluctuating day by day. The sunshine should continue in Karachi. Hello, we'll get the forecast for the Middle East in just a moment's time. First, let's take a look at what's happening across Africa, and we'll start with the earlier satellite picture. Now, our eyes are drawn to these clusters of cloud across the likes of Namibia, Angola, down into South Africa, and that's indicating some heavy and thundery showers in the last 24 hours. There's more to come in the next few days. More showers than we would normally see at this time of the year across this part of Africa. Further south, though, in Cape Town, it should stay dry. Plenty of sunshine. Lots of sunshine further north. However, we are in some cool air. Temperatures just 17 Celsius in Cairo on Saturday. The sunshine will continue in Cape Town and in Dakar, but in Johannesburg, the showers never too far away. An unsettled spell of weather here over the coming days. Further north, lots of sunshine in Khartoum and in Casablanca, but again, quite a cool feel here. Those showers will never be too far away from Kinshasa and Lusaka, heavy and thundery where you do catch them. Now, things easing off a little bit in Syria for a time after the flooding in recent days, but more showers will start to pile in here through the second half of the weekend. They could well bring some snow over higher ground. Further south, it's dry, but again, that cold air is just sinking its way a little bit further southwards. So in Riyadh, for example, temperatures around 19 or 20 Celsius during Saturday afternoon. But the sunshine will continue in Muscat, Dubai and Riyadh. Something a bit more unsettled in Kuwait through the weekend. Bye-bye.